afternoon. I am currently sitting in bumper to bumper traffic on the belt coming from church. And I decided to start recording now instead of like when I got home, just to let y'all know that, you know, haste really makes waste, but I'm about to be hasting because we're not gonna get home anytime soon. I still have to rinse the rice water out of my hair, braid my hair down, install a wig. I gotta clean and finish cooking. Maybe
had you done that yesterday,
all right.
she would have been done.
We cleaned, but I feel like I have to re-clean just one more time, you know, to just pull it all together. And I'm getting a little stressed, not for real, but definitely for fake. And I just wanted to let y'all know. What do I got left to cook? I got a fried plantain, and I gotta make my baked macaroni and cheese. But maybe I'll multitask. While I put the mac and cheese in the oven, I'll do my hair. I don't know, y'all. Stay tuned. So I'm kicking the family out. I just dropped them off at the hotel. And I'm about to show y'all their room. Just because I feel like it's about to be mad cute. So come on.
Oh wow, this is so nice.
Okay, hotel room.
Oh wow.
I mean, who's cuter than them? The absolute cutest. Alright, bye y'all. Everybody wave. Bye. Not you not waving, Jonathan. Alright, whatever. Be a hater. Enjoy your chocolate covered strawberries. Say happy Friendsgiving.
Happy Friendsgiving.
It's giving, it gave.
You know, a little shoulder slip. Oh, excuse me. That sounds like breaking.
Everybody say hi to the vlog. Say happy Friendsgiving.
No, I look toe up from the neck up.
Hey.
Oh my God, y'all have a good time.
Thank you so much.
So cute.
Thank you.
Oh, you look cute too. I love your hair.
Thank you.
All right, y'all have fun.
So cute, so cute, so cute.
Okay. Hey y'all.
Does anybody want snacks?
Hey, welcome to Jessie Wessie's
I'm
vlog.
weak.
You know, it gets gritty or something like that.
Right.
You know, Asha Washa. And the
Jada Waiter.
And the guy
I'm
tells
Jada Waiter, I'm weak.
Jada Waiter's mad ugly. My name's not Jada, so.
No, chill. That's what's her name?
Ooh! I didn't even see your makeup.
That's what I was saying. That's why I have to sit down and take my time.
That's little baby. That's the girl. Her Instagram
Oh, yeah,
tag.
yeah.
I just thought about that. That's crazy. I don't even follow her.
Not you don't follow her.
I'm really looking at your face right now, and it's really giving.
Oh, it's
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to touch
It's
your
okay. I don't got no foundation on. That's fine.
Oh, it's just the skin for her.
Sorry.
I don't look like this.
Okay,
with
I'm
no
about
makeup,
to
sorry. The nose piercing is giving. First of all, can you let them in on the eye details? Because I don't think y'all can see. Bring it in. Oh! Look at the pigment. Period.
Chill.
There it is. My best friend did this, guys. My best friend did this. This Friendsgiving is about to go up.
Show the accessories.
Yes,
It's the rings.
It's the rings.
Nah, Jade. From over here, you did your makeup. You hired somebody.
I did. Huh?
You hired somebody.
I hired somebody.
Yes.
Please don't do it. Please don't do it.
Jade don't be doing makeup like this for real. Look at how her face is like a full blown Shirley Beats.
Not Shirley B.
Shirley Beats?
Asha said, don't drag it. Asha said, do not drag it. Hold on. Because get into the nails.
Uh-oh.
Get into the nails.
Jay put me on. It's okay.
First of all, where's Felicia at?
What'd you ask?
Oh.
It's okay, I got it.
I thought y'all was looking for me over there. I was like, that's y'all looking for me over there.
No, the door. Uh-oh. Jessica, I told you come here, you know, come here.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said get into the nails. Felicia, where you at? Get into the nails.
Yes,
Get into
sirski.
I can do it.
Come. Get into the nails. Hey.
Hey.
Ooh, it's the shoes.
It's giving engaged. It's giving engaged, actually.
Fully.
Hi, thank you for coming.
Oh.
Hi. I can
Oh,
take you
yeah, the
something.
nails soon. All right, get into it.
Y'all don't drag it. Get into it.
It's actually maybe. Where the fuck did y'all park, first of all?
Bro, cause I parked in Jessica's thing, but like
I'm parked on the sidewalk,
yeah,
bro.
there's no
That's
park.
what's
So we're
going.
back with another video.
I'm weak. Hey, y'all.
What's your name? Christina girl.
Sound like we playing the curve. I don't even play with the rain like that for real.
Christina finally in the video.
I know.
I'm crying. All right, it's a wrap, y'all.
Bye.
Yeah, something like that.